What should I sing? I'm gonna post this on YouTube later on, so what do you think I should sing? You can suggest a good song. Ed Sheeran?
Shape of You.
Look up the lyrics and I'll try to sing it. Cause
That's
I
only
don't.
5 seconds of it.
Yeah, cause my dumbass don't know. I like how Manny's all the way over there. Poor dude. That's like the only part, no? Let's see. I don't hold this, but don't be pointing that shit to me. Right here. Alright, but like right there so you can kind of hear me. The club isn't the best place to find a lovers at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast and we talk slow. I had this part fast. Wait. Come over and start up a conversation with just me. Wait, just me and trust me. I can't give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man in the jukebox. And then we start to dance, and I was thinking like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like. Come now, follow my lead. Now I might be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on. Well, come on, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. And I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. And although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and on my bed she'd smell like you. That's Google doesn't let me read ahead of that shit. Decent. It still needs. It's like work in progress. Okay. What other song should I sing? So the next one will be "Blue" by Paisley, I think. Okay. Let's see. This one like that. It's there. So we're gonna be watching this video. Can see my tip of my head. I hate the beginning. I don't know why. Because it reminds me of my brother. I don't know why. Your little brother never tells you that he loves you so. He said your mother only smiles on her TV show. You're only happy when you're sorry. Head is filled with dope. Hope you make it till the day you're 28 years old.